Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use low-voltage wire connectors. We'll start by identifying the common types, like twist-on, push-in, and crimp connectors, each designed for specific applications. Understanding their differences is crucial for a safe and effective setup. Always remember to disconnect power before starting any work to prevent electrical shock, even with low-voltage systems, which typically operate at 30 volts or less. This foundational knowledge ensures you choose the right tool for the job. Next, let's prepare our wires. First, measure and cut your wires to the exact length needed, allowing for a little extra slack. Then, carefully strip about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of insulation from each wire end using a wire stripper, being careful not to nick the copper strands. Clean, undamaged wire ends are essential for a strong electrical connection and to prevent future issues. This meticulous preparation saves time and ensures reliability. Now for the connection itself. For twist-on connectors, align the stripped ends and twist them clockwise until secure. For push-in connectors, simply insert the stripped wire fully into the designated port. If you're using crimp connectors, insert the wire and use a crimping tool to compress the connector firmly onto the wire. Always give a gentle tug to confirm the connection is robust and won't easily pull apart, ensuring good electrical contact. Finally, let's test and review best practices. After making your connections, use a multimeter to perform a continuity test, verifying that electricity flows freely through your newly connected wires. For outdoor or damp environments, consider adding weatherproofing, like heat shrink tubing or silicone sealant, to protect your connections. Avoid overstripping wires or leaving exposed copper, which can lead to short circuits. Following these steps ensures a durable and safe low-voltage system for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.